Daddy.
Hello, Jason. Is this our final video of the day?
Yeah.
And what is this video of?
Of 2 marbles going in the tube.
Which tube are you talking about?
That one.
Oh, that big poster tube?
Yeah.
And what's this tape measure for? Is that the beginning of the track?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'll show you how it works. Ready? Go.
Oh, one made it, not the other one.
Okay, let's try. Let's try 3 this time.
Okay. Camera's ready.
Jason, can you do one for money this time?
Jason, can you do one for the money?
Yeah. 1 for the money, 2 for the show. Please get ready and 4 to go.
Oh, 2 made it, 1 did not.
Okay, let's try to get 1. Okay, let's try 1 more time. Go.
Whoa, victory, you did it, Jason. Great job, buddy.